We're going to talk about the art of weaving. The art of weaving is the art of making long threads using small pieces of cotton from cotton balls and joining them. This is called spinning. So how do you do spinning? That you take small cotton threads. Okay, you know what cotton is? Okay, you take small threads of cotton and then you join them together. It is called spinning. If you would have seen the machine of khadi, okay, that is a round circular machine. It's something which is similar. Okay, that is what khadi does. Like, it spins the cotton thing and you get a cloth. Gandhiji has given special importance to cottage industries and joined it with Swadeshi to make it self-reliant, independent during freedom struggle. Now what they are trying to tell us that Gandhiji had given lot of importance to cottage industry. What are cottage industries? They are small industries like ઘરની અંદર જ they do business like pickle એટલે આચાર બનાવવાનું or સાડીનું ભરતકામ. Okay, so ઘરની અંદર તે નાનું એવું machine લઈને when you work, it is called a cottage industry. It's not a big industry, it is not a very small industry, but it is something which is in between, and that is why it is called a cottage industry. Now what did Gandhiji do? He gave lot of importance to Swadeshi. Swadeshi meaning using local products or using local things. Why do we promote using local things? So that these people who are working, they become independent, they become confident, and they are able to survive in the world. We all know that Gandhiji said that use local things when he was fighting for freedom struggle. Hand weaving. Since ancient time, India is known for textile industry. A whole piece of muslin cloth could pass through a ring and adjusted in the matchbox, and it was available in Dhaka. So hand weaving, okay, hand weaving meaning હાથ થી આપણે જે કામ કરીએ, that is called hand weaving. Okay, so ancient time, from very long time, okay, since olden times, જે industries હતી ઇન્ડિયામાં was very well known for textile. Textile is what? Your clothing, your bed sheets, all this is included in textile. So for a very long time in India, textile industry was given lot of importance. There was a special cloth called muslin cloth, જે એક રિંગ, ઓકે, રિંગ હોય એના થ્રુ ફુલ્લી પાસ થઈ જતું એ આખું કપડું. કેન યુ ઇમેજિન? અને એ કપડું એટલું સ્મૂથ અને એટલું થિન હતું કે યુ કુડ ફોલ્ડ દેટ થિંગ એન્ડ યુ કુડ પુટ ઇન મેચ બોક્સ એટલે 32ની તિલ્લીનું જે બોક્સ આવે એની અંદર યુ કુડ ફોલ્ડ એન્ડ કીપ અ હોલ્ડ ક્લોથ ઇનસાઇડ. And this cloth was available in a place called Dhaka. Dhaka is in Bangladesh right now. Okay. Moreover, carpet of several regions, knitting work on ataris. Ataris is a type of cloth, etc. are very well known. Among them were Patola of Patan, Kanjivaram and Banarasi saris, and Bandhani of Rajasthan are very unique. So what they said कि carpet એટલે જે આપણે ઘરની અંદર જઈએ ત્યારે કોકના ઘરે બિછાવેલું હોય ને નીચે જાજમ ટાઈપ, but it is very decorative. Okay, bharat karelu kaam and all that is called carpet. Okay, so if you go to any house in Kashmir, okay, you will find these carpets. ઘરની અંદર carpet લગાડેલા હશે. Okay, so આ carpet, પટોલાની સાડી, રાજસ્થાનની બાંધણીની સાડી, ઓકે, સાઉથમાં કાંજીવરમ સાડી, બનારસની બનારસી સાડી, આ બધી sarees were very famous since a very long time, and since ancient time it was very famous. The golden era of Solanki, when Siddharth Jai Singh was ruling, many artisans came and settled in Gujarat. The patolas of Patan are famous in the world today. The art is 850 years old. So જ્યારે સોલંકી પીરિયડ ચાલતો હતો ગુજરાતમાં, when the Solankis were ruling over Gujarat, એનો એક રૂલર હતો whose name was Siddharth Jai Singh. He invited artisans. Okay, artisans meaning જે કારીગરો હતા, એ લોકોને કીધું કે you come, you settled in Gujarat, અને he was very supportive of those people. Supportive એટલે એ લોકોને સપોર્ટ કરતો, એ લોકોને હેલ્પ કરતો, એ લોકોના કામને પ્રોત્સાહન આપતો. ઓકે, and that is why પાટણમાં અત્યારના પટોલા આટલું ડેવલપ થયું છે. જે પટોલાની જે સાડી બનાવે છે એ 850 વર્ષ જૂની ટેકનિક છે. Okay, so you can imagine how old it is, and right now those sarees you will not find it anywhere, and they are very expensive. Okay, ઇટ્સ અ વેરી કોમ્પ્લિકેટેડ આર્ટ. કેવી રીતના પટોલાની સાડી કરે, ઇટ્સ અ વેરી કોમ્પ્લિકેટેડ થિંગ એન્ડ ઇટ્સ ટાઈમ કન્ઝ્યુમિંગ. ઓકે, ટાઈમ કન્ઝ્યુમિંગ મિનિંગ એક સાડી બનાવવામાં બહુ વાર લાગે. ધ સિલ્ક વેર that is beavered ikt produced in Patan is called patola of Patan. Ikt means weaving. This type of patola has good durability and colors. So एक और प्रकार છે, one more type of patola પાટણની સાડી is beavered ikt. Ikt means weaving. Okay, સીવણનું કામ. So that patola which is there, okay, is very expensive. It is very good. Okay, it has lots of colors inside and it has good durability means એની જે ક્વોલિટી છે ઇટ્સ વેરી ગુડ, ઇટ્સ ફ્લેક્સિબલ. અને પટોલાની સાડી એમ માનવામાં આવે છે કે ઇવન અગર તમે થાકી જશો ને તો બી એ સાડી ફાટશે નહીં. સો દેટ ઇઝ હાઉ ગુડ ધ સાડીઝ આર ઓફ પટોલા.